Hi all. So today in this video we'll be learning about set in Python. So set is unordered, mutable, and it doesn't contains duplicates. So unordered means it doesn't maintain the sequence. Okay. So the way we will insert like here in this line in 12th line like India, US, Canada, and Australia. So if I print it, it might not be getting printed in the same way. Okay, so let me comment out it and let me uncomment it and let me show you what I mean. So let me run it now. Okay, so as you can see, I have I mean, if it is a list, then it should be printed like India, US, Canada, and Australia. But in case of set, it doesn't contain the order. Okay, I mean, doesn't maintain the order. Okay, so first Australia got printed, after that India, and then US, then Canada. Now, if I run again, this order is random. You can see. Okay, so that's what it means, like it is unordered. Okay, and the mutability, mutable in the sense like list is mutable as we already learned about list, but tuple is not mutable, right? So, but set is mutable and it doesn't contain duplicates. So, let me show you what I mean by it contains duplicate or not. So, this function, this method actually creating an empty set. Okay, so if I now print here my set and let me uncomment just comment it, and if I run it you can see this is giving a empty set. Just ignore this line. Okay, so this is giving set, I mean, this my set is actually holding this set is giving empty set. Okay, uh, and now what I'm doing, I'm adding two elements, integer type elements. Okay, so one is one and two, so not integer but it's a number element. Okay, numeric. So and now if I just print it, it should give me 1 and 2, right? So we're getting 1 and 2 back. Now what I want to insert 1 again. So my set dot add 1, and let me just comment it. And now if I print my set, so what should happen? As we know, like set doesn't contain duplicates, right? So if I'm adding one again, so it should not allow it to add, right? So this method, this mySet.add, it is also returning something, right? So I mean, it returns a boolean. Okay, so we can check it. But I may not be returning boolean because in some other language, in Java, I know like I said it returns a boolean, but in Python, I think it's not returning. Okay, that's fine. Let me run it and show you what is happening. So it's printing 1 and 2. We already inserted 1 again, so it is just ignoring that because the 1 is already there in the set. So that is why the my set is printing 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, and now next go to the next part. So let me just comment this part, and here let me sorry. Okay, so this country is having India, US, Canada, and Australia. Okay, and I'm adding Nepal and Australia. Okay, so as you can see, I'm adding Australia two times, so it should not include Australia here. So if I now run it, you can see first here it printed this part Canada, US, Australia, India. Then it added Nepal, and you can see Nepal got added here. So it's not maintaining the order. Okay, we are expecting like it should be added after India, but it's not. But because set doesn't maintain the order, and then um, and also as you can see, I'm adding country dot add Nepal, right? So it's returning none because I mean, this add object is not returning anything, as you can see. This is just adding element, so it is not returning anything. That is why it's returning none. And I can delete it. We do not need it, so we can just comment out it. Okay, and sorry, and here to, and then we printed Australia. So Australia has got added also, but Australia is already there. That is why it is not included here. So it just ignored this second Australia. Okay, next we are removing it. So say it has a method like using this country reference, we can put like dot and then remove. So this remove method is, if I hover over it, the remove an element from a set, it must be a member. If the element is not a member, then raise a key error. So while removing an element from the set, if that element is not there in the set, then it should return. I mean, it should give a key error. Okay. Now, after removing Canada, I want to print it. And to print like what is the status of country now. Okay, and let me put this in comment. Do not need it. And as you can see, Canada got deleted. Okay, so in the last one, Canada is not there because we removed it. Sorry, we removed it here. And now let me uncomment and comment it out. So here what we are doing, we are just copying it. So we are creating a copy of this set. You might be wondering like whether we can do it with list or tuple. With list we can do it, but with tuple we cannot. Okay, so I haven't shown you like with list this copy operation, but it is feasible with list as well. Okay, so we are just creating a copy country and using this copy method, and then we can check like print copy country. Okay, and we do not need this to remove this Canada. So if I try to remove it, it should not, it should give like okay, Canada is already there, so you can remove it, and then what copy country is giving, right? So let me run it. So as you can see, the first one, Canada, India, US. Okay, and then it's printing copy country after removing, sorry, there is one error. Okay, it's removing, okay, sorry, I'm getting confused. So country dot remove Canada. So this country is here. Okay. So from this set there is two sets. From this set it is removing Canada, but copy country is holding the copy of this object. So we are just print trying to put like if we remove a element from copy object, then whether the actual country is getting, sorry, what I mean like if we remove element from a actual country or country set, then whether the copy of that country also get changed or not, right? So first we can see like this copy country is printing as it is. Okay, that just copy one. Then we are removing from this one. So Canada got removed, and then we are printing copy country again. So as you can see here, it's printing as it is. Canada is also there, but country is like it is having three elements because we already removed Canada. Okay, that doesn't mean like this copy country got the copy country is also changed. It didn't happen like that. Okay, so I'm just making a comment here, and then the next one is this one. So here we have created a set with different types of data type, string and numerics. Okay, and uh, let me, Okay, let me uncomment it. Okay, so here what we are doing, we created a numbers set with different types of data type, and then we created a copy, I mean we're adding England with this copy country. Okay, so copy country is now having these four elements. After adding England, it should be having five elements. Okay, now we are doing a difference between country and this copy country. So let's see the definition of this difference. It's saying return the difference of two or more sets as a new set. So it will return a new set, and it will be a difference between copy country and country. All elements that are in this set but not in the others. Okay, so let's see that, and let me just put a hashtag here. So if I run set demo, we can see the last one is England and Canada. So England and Canada is present in copy country but not in country, right? That is why it's showing the difference between copy country and country. And next one is the intersection. So intersection is like the common part, right? So what is common in between, I mean between country and copy country? So common parts are like India, Australia, and US. So it should give that return. So US, India and Australia, right? So this part is common in both copy country and country. And like that. And here uh, the last one is update operation. So what this update operation is doing, this is actually just adding it, I mean updating it, the set, updating a set with the union of itself and others. So it's kind of union operation. Okay, so country dot update dot num. So country is having right now uh, this one, right? uh, India, US, India, Australia. Okay, so if I just give update with nums and run it, now you can see it's having US 1 Australia XYZ 58 India. So it just got merged. Okay, these two, uh, I mean country and nums got merged using this update operation. Not merged, but I mean it's like a union operation. Okay, so basically you can assume it as a merge. So union is like if there is two Venn diagram, if I draw it, so first one have all the elements and the second one. So if there is any, I mean these two would be together. Okay, so it's kind of merge also. And it is combining in a single set, so it's returning a set. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.